Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector.
The CH-47 Chinook is an advanced multi-mission helicopter that provides the Indian Air Force with unmatched strategic airlift capabilities across the full spectrum of combat and humanitarian missions. The heavy lift copter has a twin-engine tandem rotor design and is capable of airlifting a variety of military and non-military loads into remote locations. The helicopter's twin-engine design improves survivability in case of engine failure. Air is rare at the mountainous, and aircraft engines need to be quite capable to operate in such an environment. Chinook has unsurpassed ability to deliver heavy payloads to high altitudes and is eminently suitable for operations in the high Himalayas. The aircraft has been battle tested in diverse extreme conditions throughout the world and has proven capability to operate in the wide range of conditions that typify the Indian subcontinent. They have proved to be a great workhorse for the US in Afghanistan in mountainous terrain and at high altitude, with carrying capacity of 45 odd troops or about 11 tons of mixed inside and or underslung load. It can play a very important role in the insertion of troops, supply support for various tactical missions. The frontiers at LAC remained heated up since Galwan conflict and has not yet cooled down. The insecure PLA continues their deployment and muscle flexing along the LAC. Meanwhile, Indian Army has fortified its position at northern and eastern border to counter any Chinese misadventure. The weapons which are going to be game changer at LAC are artilleries. They can target enemy positions from greater distances, and now with network-centric warfare, they have become more accurate and effective. These are the big guns that will change the battlefield scenario. However, transporting these big guns to high altitude and unreachable terrains has been challenging, all thanks to the 15 Chinooks of Indian Air Force, which have been seen transporting the M777 ultralight howitzers at our frontiers in Arunachal Pradesh. The M777s can be swiftly airlifted between the valleys with the help of Chinook. The gun has been deployed as high as 13,500 feet in Tawang sector. The Chinook helicopters have been operationalized in other high altitude locations as well, including the Siachen Glacier area in Ladakh sector and ferrying military equipment to higher reaches. In September 2015, a deal worth $3 billion, which included 22 Boeing H-640 Apache longbow attack helicopters and 15 Chinook heavy lift machines, were signed, and it was an inbuilt clause for follow-on orders for 11 more Apaches and 7 Chinooks. The contract for the Chinook helicopter was for $1.1 billion. Last year, Boeing has completed the delivery of 15 Chinook helicopters to the Indian Air Force. As per the latest update, Indian Air Force is now looking to procure more CH-47 Chinook helicopters, for which it has started the process to get it cleared from the Cabinet Committee on Security later this year. As part of the original deal, Indian Air Force can place and follow on order of additional 7 Chinook helicopters. However, considering their role and importance in the present situation, Indian Air Force need more of them to improve the logistic support to Army at the tough terrains. Indian Air Force at least need 15 more Chinooks, taking their total count to 30. With 30 Chinooks at its bay, Indian Air Force can operate 8 of them at Western Frontier, 12 of them at Northern Frontier, and another 10 of them at Eastern Frontier. The good news is that Indian Air Force is evaluating the order for additional Chinook helicopters, and if this materializes, it will be a big force multiplier for our armed forces at the frontiers.
This was today's update. Please let us know what is your views about these in comments section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions about any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our video if you have not done already. We will be soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in defense sector.